Hello everyone, let's dive into this open frame PC chassis. This isn't your typical case. It's a DIY enthusiast's dream, constructed from aluminum and designed for serious hardware. First impressions are all about the open design. It's a stark contrast to traditional enclosed cases, offering unparalleled access to components and, more importantly, exceptional airflow. If you're battling high temperatures with a power-hungry CPU or multiple GPUs, this open design could be a game changer. The fact that it supports dual CPUs is a major selling point. This immediately puts it in a different category, catering to users who need workstation-level performance for tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, or scientific computing. Compatibility with server or EATX motherboards further emphasizes its focus on high-end builds. The aluminum construction not only looks sleek, but also contributes to heat dissipation. Aluminum is known for its thermal conductivity, helping to draw heat away from critical components. The open design further enhances this, allowing for natural convection and efficient cooling. The inclusion of a Type-C port on the front panel is a welcome addition, providing modern connectivity for peripherals and fast data transfer. It's a small detail, but it shows attention to current standards. Building in an open frame case like this requires a different approach compared to traditional cases. Cable management becomes more critical as everything is on display. However, the open design also makes it easier to access and modify components. This chassis isn't for everyone. If you prioritize silence above all else, the open design might not be ideal, as fan noise will be more noticeable. It also requires more diligence in keeping dust away from the components. However, for those who value performance, cooling, and aesthetics, this open frame chassis is a compelling option. It's a statement piece that showcases the hardware within, while providing the airflow needed to keep everything running smoothly.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.